Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly in Market Update for Tuesday, August the 7th, 2018. Well, let's go ahead and take a look and see what happened. Let's run through our FANG stocks real fast. Facebook, you can see here, after a couple days of climbing to fill that gap, it did pull back a little bit today. Closed, right at lows there. Google gapped up and then had a little volatility and closed closer to the bottom than to the top. Apple had a little bit of a pullback today after several nice days. Don't think there's any issues there. Amazon had another green day here. Closed most of the way towards highs, but pulled back a very little bit right at the tail end. And Netflix, pretty much a doji candle here, not a whole lot of action. Pretty light volume though. Now to our indexes that we follow, the IBB. You can see here we had a nice green day, but once again here recently we have touched this line of resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times and came 5, 6, 7, 8 times. We were very close to it. So I would say it's going to be important that we can muster the strength in the bulls to push through there, get to the other side of that resistance level. But as far as it goes, looking good for today. The diamonds gapped up, did pull back a little bit, so not a lot of follow through, but definitely closed very, very nice. If you back this out a little bit, you can see we closed above this recent highs here, and now we have these highs here that we need to get through to the other side on. So, looking pretty good there. But did close off its highs, and then in the aftermarket here, you can see we are pulling back a little bit as well. The Qs, green day there, low volume, so holding their own. IWM, we can see here. Let's take a look here. We had a little bit of a gap up, and then we pulled back, so closed near lows. So same thing. We've been fighting this. We need to have the bulls get the strength and push on through here. So the only concern is that it's not powering its way through, but we'll see what happens as the week goes on. Spiders looking real nice here. Approaching the all-time highs from back here, and you can see it right there if we really back it out. So low volume, but still headed in the northerly direction. GLD, let's blow that up a little bit, see if we can see what happened. Looks like we gapped up and then we pulled back, closed near where we were yesterday's close, and TLT pulled back some more today. So that is our major indices. Let's go ahead and take a look at Holly and see how she did today. And with earnings season in full swing, we're getting a lot of Holly activity and a lot of volatility. Look at this histogram here on the Holly Grail, and you can see it's just bouncing all over the place. So that makes it real tough to trade when you're getting those kind of spikes throughout the day. But we had 38 trades in Holly Grail, had a profit of 47 cents. But the risk on profit, you can see, was a minus $4.83. And on the risk on, it just pretty much got worse as the day went on. We had a little bit of recovery here, towards the end of the day, and then it, got bad again. And Holly 2.0, we had 33 trades, $1.23 profit. And once again, just look at this histogram bouncing all over the place. And the risk on profit 79 cents, and the same thing, just a lot of whipsaw action, just an awful lot of whipsaw action going on there. And Holly Neo, 36 trades, 442 profit. Now that's the nicest histogram we had out of all of them today. And on the risk on profit, just 72 cents. And you can see here, after being well in the green, she went way into the red and then back again. So a lot of volatility there. The way it all shook out, we had 107 total trades. I'm not sure, but that might be the most Holly's ever had during one day for the three combined. She made $6.12 profit and a rare $3.32 loss on the risk on profit. So that is our Holly as far as that goes. Let's see if we can take a look at some of the individual trades. And here we have TWLO, $1.13 profit, and you can see here where she called it, and she actually got out of this because of a profit save. And then it went on. If you would have held it, you would have lost 29 cents overall. And her best risk on was IFMK. She made 75 cents on the regular trade. She got out because she hit her target. And after she hit the target, it did pull back some. And then it went up some more for $1.18 for the risk on profit. It did pull back again and then go back up. So that was a fairly volatile one as well. Let's go ahead and get into the NEO. And the best way to change is to go, right click on your chart here, go to segments, and then click on the Holly that you want. Here is the Holly 2.0 that's going to populate right now. And we have our best trade was SKY, $1.30. And you can take a look at it. We got in right here, and we got out right there. And then after I got out, it went up a little bit higher, but then it did pull back. So $1.30 was the profit, $1.10 was the risk on profit, and that is the best in both categories. Now we'll take a look at the Holly Grail. And she's getting ready to populate, and here she comes. And we had the same Sky was the best trade there. And with Holly, she can have the same strategy sometimes within a couple of the different Hollies, but sometimes they have different filters, so they will respond differently from time to time in the different Hollies that they're in. So, but that is our Holly wrap up for today. And right now, I just want to bring back our 5 ways to win in a post-BTFD market, because obviously with this whipsaw action we're having, there is a lot of opportunity for short trades. And it's a good time to hone your skills in that area, because you might as well trade going both ways and profit whether stocks are going up or whether stocks are going down. And you may even have a long trade and a short trade on at the same time. So here is the link to get into there. It is case sensitive, but and I'll paste this in the YouTube comments. All you have to do is copy and paste it in your browser. And all you simply do is put in your email address, and then we email you the link to download that right to your computer so you can read that at your leisure. So it's some great strategies, and we invite you to go ahead and give that a try. And as always, you can follow me at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and maybe leave a comment, maybe share it with your friends or some like-minded people. And if it's the first time you're seeing this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we hope to see you again, and thank you for watching. God bless.